Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send an Amazon package to a different country. Alright, let's begin. First, go to Amazon.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're in, head to the top right section and click on Account. This will take you to your account page. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Under that, click on Your Addresses. This is where you can manage or add shipping addresses. Click on the Add Address button. You'll now be able to enter a new address. Start by selecting the destination country from the drop-down list. Then, fill in the rest of the required fields such as full name, street address, city, postal code, and phone number. Once all the details are filled out, click Add Address to save it. From now on, when you purchase an item, Amazon will show you this international address at checkout. You can simply select it as the delivery destination. So that's basically how you can send an Amazon package to a different country. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.